Today is going to be the best day ever. Why is it that? It's because it's going to be the best day ever. Well, I've been thinking lately we should go to the mall. Because that's a dog. Thanks so small. But yeah, but I may try my best. What do you want, you baby? Ew, don't kiss me. Ew. I love playing truth or dare. I love playing truth or dare. I don't like your baby. That's what I like. Hey, get out of here. I'll explode. Get away. Okay, why do you guys hate her? We don't all hate her. Blackbird hate her. Barry, do you have anything to say? I have something to say. Hate is the wrong word you should say. It is like the worst thing I ever heard in my life. The worstest thing I hated. Just to say worse. Or hate. You guys, I'm going to tell you a secret. Hate is a bad word. No one from the Singapore should say hate. Because I hate Kitty. Okay, I'll leave, you know. Okay, no, don't leave. Okay, what happened to your head? Oh, nothing. It exploded a little bit. Okay. Let me speaker here. Oh, back to the accent. Okay, so what do you want us to do now? Ask me a question about why we don't say. Why don't we say hate? No, what if you have to say? What if you have to ask another question? Why won't you say hate a lot? Whoa. Eat one of them if you're hungry. Hey, what the heck is wrong with you? We're not cannibals. Well, if you guys don't always be nice to one another, the dog eats you. Oh God, this is the worst day ever. If you could be mean to the piggies, you won't get eaten because they're our enemies. You know, good doggy. Now go back. Hey. You better clean that up. Anyways, we should be in a straight line right now. I'm saying that the piggies are getting ready to destroy us. Be in a straight line, you guys. Okay. Okay. Yellow bird, you are out. You have to say next to Kitty. Oh, why does this have to always happen to me? Okay, I gotta go to the mall. So, Yellow bird, take care of Kitty. Actually, just let her go. Go play. Yes. At the Thank you. Say thank you. Oh, fine. Thank you. At the pigs. Oh no, God. Why does that thing look like we're gonna destroy him? Well, it's big as the mighty eagle. Not a good thing, guys. They're getting ready for battle. What are we gonna do? Calm down. Calm down. I have a plan. We're gonna use that huge thing for something important. That thing can explode. It can do all the things. Its speed it can turn around. It could.
Don't you mean a boomerang?
It's all the Angry Birds powers. It can fly, just like Bluebird.
Where?
Dark Bluebird.
Where? Wait. I mean, where?
That thing. That thing is not Majesty. There's fish.
Fish does just swim.
No. It's in a box.
So?
A box of Majesty. That android right there, sleeping with Kitty. Oh, I got it. We need to take Kitty and give her a shot.
Wait, we did that already, but we did it with the girls.
Yeah, but because the Majesty boyfriend wanted to take her.
Okay, you know what? We're gonna lose anyways.
Just go get that kitten.
Okay, we don't want this to...
Go get that kitten.
How about you get that?
Go get it. Fine.
Finally.
Oh, you dirty heads. Next thing you know, I'm going to beat you. Not the Angry Bird.
Hey, I talk pretty much for myself.
Be quiet. I'm really angry at you. Go to your shame house. Okay, was the shot ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, Master. Master. Yes. Master, would you like to please me? Destroy those people. Yes, sir. After a break, I'm hungry.